What a beautiful day. Lately, every morning I spend 10 minutes standing at the window watching the snow, even though there's never any snow here. It feels strange, somehow.
If you miss the icy cold of Freljord that much, I could borrow the kitchen freezer and put it next to your table. A little cold breath, probably about 70%, the real thing.
You don't have to go that far. It's just, this city feels so peaceful, at least on weekends. I still go jogging every morning, about 5 kilometers. Keeps me in shape.
I train too, but in the inner strength style, standing in front of the mirror, swinging my spear through the air. The shop owner downstairs thinks I'm doing some kind of fan dance.
And yet you still look that good. Impressive. What time does your day usually start?
Around 5:30. I wake up early, brew a pot of tea, and meditate for 15 minutes. A calm mind keeps the body strong. You? I'm guessing 6 o'clock?
Wrong. At 6, I just open my eyes, check my phone, turn off the alarm, and go back to sleep. I actually get up at 6:30.
Ah, the art of 30 more minutes that feel like 3 hours. I know it well.
After that, I make my own coffee, trying to rely less on cafes. But on busy days, I come straight here. What about you? Got a favorite?
I'm loyal to lattes. The owner says I'm so addicted that if I ever miss a day, they'll assume I'm on a 3-month business trip.
Loyal indeed. But that's good. Little habits like that make life feel steady.
Yep, and sitting at this exact table. If someone else takes it, I just stand there smiling gently but with clear meaning. Are you sure about this?
Don't scare the poor customers.
Haha, I don't, I promise.
How's your week been? Pretty busy?
Busier than I expected. A few meetings, some missions, and a new training schedule. I'm always fine, but my back seems to be protesting a little.
Take care of yourself. If someone like you burns out, who's left to be the poster boy for discipline?
Thanks for the flowers. So, how about you? How's work treating you lately?
A few reports to handle, some plans to approve. Everyone's chasing KPIs this season. Sometimes I want to freeze those deadlines solid.
I bet one cold glance from you, and they'd freeze on the spot, then shatter when they hit the floor.
If life were that easy, I'd have done it already. Still, I've been pretty productive this week, probably thanks to sticking with daily exercise.
Exactly, movement clears the mind. See? So many people overload themselves and forget that 10 minutes of proper breathing can lighten the head.
I've added evening yoga too. Balancing was hard at first, but now it's fine. My body's more flexible, and my mind feels less tense.
I didn't expect you to be so dedicated. I thought you spent evenings plotting something terrifyingly strategic.
I still think, but the most important strategy is go to bed early.
That's always the hardest one.
Oh, this week I watched a cooking show. The cake looked easy, so I tried. Result? The smoke alarm went off.
Were you baking a cake or fireworks?
I followed the recipe. I just added a little extra flour, and a little extra butter, and a little extra sugar.
You weren't baking. You were summoning a new life form. Did it move?
Thankfully, no. But the smell was strong enough that I had to open the windows for 2 hours.
I see a bright future for you in cooking. Bright as in blazing.
Keep laughing. Next week I'll try something else to redeem myself. Want a taste test?
I deeply respect your fighting spirit, but I might bring a lucky charm just in case.
Up to you. Next time it'll actually be good.
I believe you. Still, if you hear a small explosion in the kitchen, call me before you call the fire department.
You really are an expert at ruining a serious mood.
I just try to add a little spice to our weekend coffee.
Don't you ever feel weekends pass so fast you barely get anything done?
You just described my entire life. Every weekend I make detailed plans. Clean the room, read, learn a new skill. In the end, I only manage to open the book.
At least you opened it. Mine has been sitting on the table for 2 weeks and I haven't turned a single page.
That's still progress. 2 weeks ago, it was still in the paper bag, right?
Yeah, no need to expose me.
On weekends, I often jog around the park. The breeze is nice. Kids playing ball, people walking dogs, a few doing meditation. The city feels much gentler then.
I prefer sitting in a cafe like this. My own corner, soft music. Even doing nothing, just watching people pass, clears my mind.
Now I understand why you pick this table every week. It's like a safe point. Everyone needs a place to come back to, even if it's just a small wooden table.
Exactly. Do you have any special weekend ritual?
I have a secret tradition. Polishing my old armor. I don't wear it much anymore, but I still keep it gleaming. Partly because I miss the old days.
Sometimes you need it. What about you? Any rituals?
That sounds beautiful, like a ritual to honor the past.
I change the water for the little plant in my room and talk to it.
You talk to your plant?
Is that a problem? I think it needs encouragement too.
If it suddenly grows huge or starts moving, let me know. I don't want a plant uprising in your apartment.
Relax. I only chat with it. I'm not teaching it philosophy or battle tactics.
Good call.
I had something fun this week. I tried a painting class. My hands shook, so the lines were weird, but it felt strangely good.
What did you paint?
A lone tree in the snow. But someone looked at it and said it was a broom.
Then it's abstract art. Tree or broom, both symbols of cleansing. You're ahead of your time.
Don't just say that to make me feel better. I know my abstract was extremely abstract.
I mean it. They say feeling matters more than shape. If painting made you happy, you succeeded.
Hearing that does help.
I'm happy too because I finally got new running shoes. The old pair was so worn out that 5 kilometers felt like gliding on pure willpower.
Haha, that's so you everything powered by iron will.
I'm used to it. But the new shoes make me feel 10 years younger.
Careful if you actually get younger. I'll have to change how I address you.
Don't worry. Only my spirit got younger. The body still complains about the back.
Do you ever think about silly little things? Like why a tiny coffee cup takes forever to empty?
All the time. When I clean, I wonder, when did I eat in here that a snack crumb appeared under the bed?
Proof you eat messily.
No, I blame mysterious forces in the apartment. They plant snacks to sabotage my discipline.
Surprisingly convincing explanation.
Got any weird thoughts of your own?
Last night I wondered why, when my pillow falls off the bed in the middle of the night, it always sounds like thunder in my head.
That's the scream of surprise inside you. Or, your pillow has a strong personality.
Every sentence from you is half joke, half truth.
That's what makes talking fun.
Yesterday, during an online meeting, I forgot to mute and grumbled about a 20-page report. Luckily, everyone else had mics off.
Did they hear?
Enough for my team leader to send me a "keep going" sticker afterward.
Been there. Once I forgot to turn off my camera, stood up, stretched, twisted. Everyone just watched silently, like it was office aerobics.
Bet they were impressed.
One guy even asked, "Keep going. I'll put music on."
What did you do?
Turned the camera off instantly. Surrendered in one beat.
Moments like that make work way less stressful.
Exactly, if we didn't have a few embarrassing seconds, life wouldn't be fun.
True.
Do you ever feel the whole week is just running on duty, forgetting what you really want?
All the time. Some days I work while my mind is somewhere else. Everything runs on autopilot. I get home and can't even remember what I did that morning.
Too familiar. Sometimes I wake up Tuesday, thinking it's Sunday, make coffee, then realize I still have to go to work.
That drop is scary. But weirdly, I like those exhausted moments. They remind me I'm still human.
You say it hurts, but you're right. I think fatigue is proof we never stop trying.
Yeah. As long as we have one corner on weekends to breathe like this place, this conversation, that's enough to recharge.
Strange, isn't it? This cafe is nothing special. Yet the moment I sit down, my heart feels lighter.
It's not the cafe. It's the person sitting across from me.
If you compliment me that smoothly, I have to buy you another coffee.
I mean it. Some people make you feel safe just by being there.
If you had a whole month off with no worries, what would you do?
I'd go somewhere far away. Cold, snowy, clear skies, peaceful. I'd bring a notebook and pencils and draw whatever I see.
That sounds like a simple, beautiful dream. Me, I'd go back to my old hometown, visit the places I trained when I was young.
Because you missed the past?
Yeah, there are roads, trees, afternoons I never got to say goodbye to.
You sound so gentle right now.
Gentle? Hardly. It's just, the older I get, the more I realize I've been running too fast and left some good parts of myself behind.
Then let's go back and pick them up. Beautiful dreams can wait. They'll still be there when we have time and courage.
You make me want to book vacation right now.
If you really go, tell me about it. I love stories of people finding themselves again.
Deal.
What does living slowly mean to you?
Mornings without rushing, eating breakfast calmly, looking out the window, hearing distant traffic without feeling anxious.
That sounds like a morning worth dreaming of.
And you?
To me, living slowly means allowing myself to be weak sometimes. I don't always have to be strong. I don't always have to be right.
When are you ever weak?
I am. I just don't often let people see. What about you? Do you ever feel weak?
Yes. I'm just good at hiding it behind jokes.
Actually, I noticed.
You noticed.
Yes. But I never said anything because everyone deserves a few soft spots they can keep private.
Thank you. Just saying it out loud already feels lighter.
Is there something you've never told anyone that you'd like to say today?
I think I'm tired of being the strongest person in the room.
Nobody asked you to be.
I'm used to it, but sometimes I just want to lean on someone for a change.
Then today, lean on this conversation. You don't have to be the brave one here.
Thank you. And you? Anything you've never said?
Yes. I often feel I come off too cold. People think I'm hard to approach, so very few ever really step into my world.
But you're not cold. You just keep a distance to protect yourself.
You're right. Still, sometimes I wish someone would be patient enough to cross that distance.
I think someone already is.
Talking with you today, It really calms my heart.
Same for me. Some people make time feel like it slows down.
So we can hear ourselves more clearly.
And know we're not alone.
I should probably head home. It's getting late.
Yeah. But hey, next weekend, are you free?
If it's still this cafe, still this table, then yes, I'm free.
Good, I'll be here. And I'll bring a little extra patience. To come closer.
I'll try too, to open my heart a bit more.